विसवा उपरांत येवकार गोंय महिला काँग्रेसीन स्लम वाठारांतल्या बायलांक सॅनिटरी नॅपकिन्स वाटले। तशेंच बायलांची भलायकी सुरक्षीत उरपाक हे महिला काँग्रेसीन पावल उखल्लां। त्या भायर महसूल मंत्र्यान जो फुडाकार घेतला ताचोय महिला काँग्रेसीन येवकार केला। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Now what has happened is that this GST which they have put, it's 12%. Earlier they said, now when the finance minister was being questioned, Mr. Jaitley was being questioned, he said that it was 18 point something earlier, 38%, 18.38%. But with GST it has come to 12%. But I want to ask them, just categorize, don't categorize into miscellaneous, categorize into a health device. If you categorize into health device, naturally the 0% GST would be there, and all our ladies whom we are educating as per his slogan, all the ladies would be able to afford it.
काल हांवें आयकलां बाब रोहन कावंटो जो मिनिस्टर आसा ताणे पेपरार आयिल्लें आसा की दॅट हील ऑल्सो when we had appealed to the government the other day, when took a press, we appealed to the government that please, these are Goan sisters and periods are not by choice. Periods is a necessity for every woman. So it is not like आपणाक जाय म्हणून पिरियड जायना, देवाचें देण तें. So आतां रोहन कावंटीन सांगलां that he will start with. So what we have demanded. So I think Mahila Congress has been successful when it came to coconut price rise, also subsidizing coconuts. And here Mahila Congress has achieved much more when we started with this agitation. And we are giving these pads. रोहन कावंटीन बाबान म्हणलां की करतलो म्हणून.
आमचे मुखार धोरण आसतलें की हे पॅड्स जे आसात ते आमच्या स्कुलांनी तशेंच असल्या एरियांनी पावोवपाचें आमचें मुखार धोरण आसतलें। आनी जो पर्यंत सरकार हेजेर जो GST लायिल्लो आसा 12%, तो GST आमी आंदोलनूय केल्लें तरी सुद्दां आजून तेजेर कांय जालें ना। तर आमचे मुखार हें आसतलें की ही जी बेजीक नीड आसा बायलांची तेजेर सरकारान हे GST काडचें। तशेंच स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांक आनी असल्या स्लम्स एरियांतल्या लोकां खातीर हे बरे भशेन तेंचे कडेन पावपाक जाय, तेंचे भलायकीचो हो प्रश्न आसा।